visit siya. Joel malakat naman karon ng baboy, Joel. Ang litson malakat naman.
Please say high school breaks. Okay.
Hindi na matabok. Hindi matabok.
You want to question say?
Wala man di siguro, hindi man matabok.
Okay, high school friends.
Wala.
Yeah.
Bla punto ko mahamol na.
Okay, Grace Bible Church. Come on, church mates of the bride and groom. Come on. Church mates, come on, let's go. This is the last show. Okay, church mates. Come on. We will have the church mates, friends of
hindi na siya utod din ng higen. Utod lang ng higen.
Palagpat sa panel stage ko na iyan.
Gani nag-OJT sa nalipat na ko.
Tanay kami ko ma'am, pag-jazz. Wala pa.
Abi ko utod din ng higen nalipat ko.
Grace Bible Church members. Ready. Ready, smile. Okay, please stay. GDC members, please stay. We will be joined by Friends of the Bride. Friends of the Bride. Okay. Friends of IR, please join them. I request the Friends of the Bride, please join the couple. Friends! Suman Elementary Church teachers and friends.